Hey guys, today I'm working with a Maytag Centennial washer and electric dryer matching set, and right now I've got this one filling up with water on a normal wash cycle. Pretty heavy jeans and towel loads. Got some pants and stuff in there too, but I'm gonna let it fill up and go through the agitation cycle. You'll get to hear that. You'll get to see that the water drains out, and then it's got a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle and gets all the water out in that spin cycle. And the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale or before it leaves my care. And then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works great and heats appropriately. So as it moves along here, we'll just check back with it on those little checkpoints I mentioned on the washing cycle. Okay, and we are in the agitation portion here. You can hear it agitating. You can see on this agitator, this should spin this direction freely and not back the other way. That's how you know this is working properly. If you were able to spin this freely in both directions, then this would not be working. Little tip I like to throw out there for people. Some people don't know that. So you should also be able to hear it, which you can. This has a nice strong agitation on it, so you know those clothes are getting nice and clean. Alright, moving out of the wash cycle, you can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. I'm going to let it move through the rinse cycle, and then we'll come back for the final spin. Alright guys, we're moving into that final spin cycle here. It's going to get up to speed. See, it's moving nice and fast, smooth. And I'm going to lift the lid up for you, show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. My hose back here is making a little noise, this hose here. Anyway, we'll lift that up. Lid switch is going to kick in and shut it down. You can see it's spinning nice and fast. So we'll let that finish up and we'll move over and show you the dryer. Alright guys, now I've got all those clothes moved over here to the electric dryer. You see the light shining nice and bright. We'll just go ahead and put it on time dry, high heat, hit go. And then the top of this, these are always kind of look like this with a little wear, and I refinished these, so you can take a look at the pictures and you'll see that this is like new condition again once I'm finished here. But what I want to show you, obviously you can hear that it sounds great. It's got nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, you can see it's taking it a surface temperature measurement. So we'll shoot it inside the dryer now, right inside the heating element tube there. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube. And then that in turn, so that gets really hot right there. But the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. That just depends on which one of the heat settings you end up going with there. So get that going and hit go. And we'll let that finish up. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.